No, I am not making this up. I don't blame you if you think I'm joking because this sounds crazy, but this is a real scam that's circulating. Scammers will think of any trick to get money off you. Have you seen those signs about lost pets, like a lost dog or a lost cat, and there's a picture of the pet? Very often there's a reward offered. What the scammers will do, they take a picture of that reward offered sign wherever they see it. They then use computer technology to reproduce a picture of that pet somewhere else, what they claim to be their garden or their location or whatever. Then they contact the person who lost the pet and say, "We believe you found your pet. Is this your pet?" Then they make a way to receive the reward. They look for a way of payment that is difficult, if not impossible, to trace. They take the money and you don't see the money again and you do not see your pet. It was a lie. They did not have your pet. If you did lose your pet, I'm very sorry to hear that. That's a horrible thing to happen. And if you are offering a reward, please be careful before you hand over that reward. Make sure you see the pet with your own eyes and make sure it is your pet before you hand over the money.